welcome back to Cooking with the Crew. Today we're going to do an old-fashioned cream cheese pound cake. And here are the ingredients that we'll be using. We have 3 sticks of butter, 1/8 ounce of cream cheese, we have 6 eggs, we have baking powder, vanilla extract, baker's joy, and we have cake flour.
We stayed up till the morning, talking till the first light of dawn. Just like that, without no warning, it hit me so hard. Oh, I'm so sorry, girl, I didn't mean to. I done messed it up again. Yeah, I'm sorry if I crossed the line. What am I supposed to do right now? Baby, I'm falling for you. What I would do for you to love me too. No, I can't hide it no more. What I would do for you to love me too. I try to tell what you were thinking, what you might feel for me. And I know that we've been out drinking, so maybe this ain't for real. Oh, I'm so sorry, girl, I didn't mean to. I done messed it up again. Yeah, I'm sorry if I crossed the line. What am I supposed
me or him?
For you.
Straight down. There you go. Good job.
Hold on.
Wait. Hold it up.
Hold it. All right, now you put it down.
Thank you.
Try a piece. I ain't gonna put you on camera.
Piece of cleaner.
Just give you a reaction of it. Hey, open the dryer. Just open the door. Thank you.
Buttery. Moist. I can taste the cream cheese, the butter, the sugar, you know, the sweetness. But it's not overpowering.
You can have that.
Yeah, it's super moist. And it's rich.
You want to try a piece?
And then a crunch. I'm glad. Oh, it's good, y'all.
It's airy too. Okay, guys, that's the queen reaction to the cake. Let's see.
Out of every piece of a pound cake, y'all, this is always my favorite. The top crunch part. I can eat all this off the whole top layer of a cake. All I'm missing is some ice cream.
Okay, guys, we're gonna close out this video. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and turn on all post notifications, and like the video, and comment in the section below, and let us know what you think about the cake. And if you try the recipe, also let us know once you try the recipe. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and we out of here. See you in the next video. Peace.